Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up a paid OpenAI API account. And here's how it is done. In this video, we will walk you through the process of setting up a paid OpenAI API account. Steps to set up a paid OpenAI API account. 1. Visit platform.openai.com and sign in to your OpenAI account. Ensure you are using the same account as your ChatGPT or other OpenAI services. 2. Upgrade to a paid plan. Click on Upgrade on the platform's homepage. 3. Generate an API key. Navigate to API keys to create an OpenAI API key. 4. Check free trial availability. Go to usage to see if you have free trial credits. If your trial hasn't expired, you can continue using the API without upgrading. 5. Set up billing for a paid account. Click on Billing, then select Set up paid account. Enter your payment details, including card information, billing address, tax ID if required. Click Set up payment method to complete the process. 6. Once your account is successfully upgraded, you will receive a confirmation message and you can start using the OpenAI API for your projects. That is everything you need to know about how to set up a paid OpenAI API account.